Ultimate packing guide for luxury travelers. Embark on your next luxury journey with ease. Our ultimate packing guide ensures you travel in style and sophistication. First, choose luggage that speaks of elegance and durability. A quality suitcase is your first step to a seamless travel experience. Consider your destination's climate and culture when selecting your wardrobe. Opt for versatile pieces that blend luxury with comfort. Don't forget to pack your travel essentials: a sleek passport holder, noise-canceling headphones, and a plush travel pillow. For those unforgettable moments, a high-end camera is a must. Capture the essence of your travels with clarity and precision. Indulge in the little luxuries. A travel-sized designer fragrance and skincare set keep you refreshed from takeoff to touchdown. Lastly, organize your items meticulously. A set of stylish packing cubes can transform your packing experience, ensuring everything is in its place. With these tips, you're ready to embark on your luxury journey. Travel not just in comfort, but with confidence and elegance.